Here we are at Box Hill, Sunday. Very popular with the bikers. Look at this little monkey bike. That's brilliant. Love that thing. So hello, Zeus. Box Hill Sunday. Been popular for years. Stop pulling, stop pulling. Lovely bikes here, loads. Proper busy. Zeus is pulling me like mad. Come Zeus, go this way. Stop pulling, boy. Stop pulling. He's pulling me like mad. I'm sorry I haven't been on doing much content, guys. I've been busy. My computer broke as well, so I've just got a new one. No, not a new one, second hand. A nice Lenovo ThinkPad, it's cheap. We've got some more bikes. I like this Ducati over here. That green one's really nice. I like that. And that prettier. It's not bad, these Italian bikes, beautiful. Got a few classics here as well, old Kawasaki. We're off to Denby's for the afternoon after this. We only stopped off for a little wander around. Anyway, I'm going to be doing some more content this week. But any bike lovers out there, you might enjoy this. So many, look at this Kawasaki, that's nice. Wow, that's lovely, that one. Really like that, that's nice. So many bikes. That's Street Fighter, that one. Custom job. Stay, Zeus, stay. I'll stop pulling now, please. He's pulling me like a madman, he's so excited. Pulling me like a mad dog. Have another little walk round. Whoa. Going to get run over there. Another little walk round. Have a look at some on this side as well. That one's interesting. Quite like a little Yamaha as well. Oh, I'd love a motorbike, man. Maybe one day. Show you Rikers in a minute as well. They've done it all up, it's owned by Smith & Wesson now, the chain pub. It's always been independently owned and now taken over by corporation. Corporation get their teeth in everything. Come on, let's go and have a look over here. So stop pulling it. Stop pulling. Stop pulling. Yeah, this is Rikers. Got a pizza place here as well. I'm going to try one day. Still haven't tried one yet. It's so busy here, man. It's hectic. Jacket potatoes. Burgers, etc. Hot dogs are nice.
579, 563.
One more look at some bikes. It's going to be it for this video, ain't going to be a long video. Oh, there's a classic car here as well. That's what I was really looking forward to, some classic cars. There's one there. It's got full Capri Mark 1, that was. Animal ambulance. Motorbike heaven here. So many. There you go. Super busy. That's going to be about it for this video. Take care, guys.